Okay, so today we're making Dulce de Leche banana bread. But 3, 2, 1, go! My favorite dessert is bananas con dulce de leche. It's very popular. My family loves it. My little brother loves it. We're gonna make a bread pudding version of that. It's really simple, really fun to make, super delicious. It's just perfect. So what you'll need is 4 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 banana. Is this still melted? Bro. Okay, it's still melted. We're good. 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a half a cup of sugar, a cup of dulce de leche, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of salt, a loaf of day-old bread, and that's all you'll need for the food ingredients. For the non-food ingredients, I mean, you shouldn't eat these. Don't eat glass. So you'll need a fork, a medium mixing bowl, a spatula, a whisk, a large mixing bowl, and a glass pan that's oven safe. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Don't forget to preheat it. Is it 350 or is it like 420? Mom, is the oven supposed to be at 350? Okay, 350, I was right. So now that our oven is preheating to 350 degrees, we can start. Oh, I need a knife. You need a knife. Be careful with the knife, obviously, like I said in the last video. Be careful with knives. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, so we're gonna cut up this whole loaf of bread. What I'm doing is cutting each piece up into 6 slices, 6 cubes, 6 things, 6 little sections. It makes the dessert taste best. So what you can do is if you have some old bread laying around that you're not going to use, you can just put it in this dessert and it's beautiful. This is a great dessert if you're going to have any friends over. Wait, no, I can't say that. It's quarantine. Don't have friends over. And make sure that the bread is all nice and spread out evenly in your pan. So now we're gonna take our mixing bowl and we're gonna take our 4 eggs and whisk the eggs in the large mixing bowl. Oh no. And wow. Don't be as aggressive as I'm being. That was apparently too much. Oh, that's the oven. I was like, what is happening? Okay, so now you're just gonna whisk the 4 eggs all together. Okay, that's enough. Maybe a little more. So now I'm just gonna take 2 cups of milk. That's 1 cup. Really have to use your muscles for this. Now that we have our 2 cups of milk in here with the egg, we're gonna take our melted butter and a spoon and put all of it in there. 4 tablespoons, don't forget that. And then so now I'm just taking our sugar and then we're just gonna take our dulce de leche, our key component.
Hi, I'm Brayden, Bailey's little brother again.
So I'm making dulce de leche banana bread pudding.
Oh, that sounds really good.
You heard it here first, folks.
What are the ingredients?
The ingredients! I'm so glad you asked. You'll have to know when you watch it.
All right, when it's done.
I've been trying to get this off for the whole entire time. So, now I'm just gonna put a little pinch of salt and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just a teaspoon. I'm gonna eyeball it. So now that we have this, we're gonna take a banana in our medium mixing bowl and mash it. It's better if you use bananas that are a little bit too ripe to eat on their own because then it just makes it sweeter. And then you also don't waste bananas. We don't like wasting food. Don't waste food. So now we're just gonna take our beautiful golden fork and mash it. If you really like the banana bread taste, I would recommend to use two, but we're just gonna use one today. It should kind of look like baby food. That's not that appealing, but that's the consistency that we want. Now that you have it all mashed, add it in with all of your ingredients. Is that all? Am I missing anything? Oh, maybe. Okay, now that I don't think that I'm missing anything, mix all of the ingredients together. Once you think you have it all mixed, now you're gonna combine it with your bread that you cut up at the beginning. Ooh. Why do I need a spatula? Oh, and then with the spatula, I'm just gonna use it to spread it out a little bit more and really get it, all of the pieces of bread really nice and covered. So now that we have it all in our pan, all mixed together, it's looking delicious. We're gonna put it in our oven for about 40 minutes. So I'll see you when this is nice and ready. So now that it's all done, the lighting has changed a little bit because almost an hour has passed since this has been in the oven. We let it sit for 15 minutes just to cool down a little bit because it was really hot when it got out of the oven, and you don't want to burn your mouth because then you won't even be able to taste it. It's not a good time. In my opinion, it's the best to eat it over some ice cream and then drizzle some Dulce de Leche over the top. So now we're just gonna take our knife and then cut a little piece out. Hopefully I'm able to do this successfully. Oh goodness gracious. Oh no. I did it! Look, and it wasn't even that messy. Can you see the steam coming from that? That's how hot it is. See, that's why you should let it sit. So now I'm just gonna take a scoop of ice cream and put some on top. And then I'm just gonna take this fork and then I'm just gonna drizzle some over the top. Brayden! So now he's gonna try a bite and then give us his honest opinion. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Get some ice cream in there, get everything in the bite.
All right.
I haven't tried it
That's really good.
yet. Speak loud.
I said, oh, that looks really good. Yeah, it's really good.
It's
I
good?
like the bread. The bread is very moist, and I love ice cream, so yeah, it's really good.
Brayden approved. So good job, you guys. I think that was pretty easy to make. It was super delicious, super fun. I loved it. My family loves it. It's a great time. And
Dad,
yeah.